In this video, I want to show you how to create a new document in Microsoft Word. If you want to start a new document, how do you go about it? I'll show you different ways of doing it. And number one, come to File and you can see New. Click on New and click on Create. This will open a new document page for you. So this is one of the way of creating a new document in Microsoft Word. So let's close this. The second way of creating a new document in Microsoft Word is to come to this quick access toolbar, click on it, and you can see new here. Check it. Once you check on it, you can see new here. So click on it and you can see that a new document has been created. That is the second way. So let's close this. The third way is that you can use a shortcut to create a new document in Microsoft Word. To do that, you just need to press Ctrl plus N on your keyboard. If I press Ctrl plus N simultaneously, you can see it has created a new document. That is the third way. So you can now save your document by clicking on this save icon, then navigate to where you want to save it. Let me save it on my desktop and I can choose a name for it. Let's say GGS for GeoJ GIS solution and click on save. Now if I go to desktop, I can see the GGS here. Here is it. So in short, this is how to create a new document in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching.